Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can customize your own Twitch channel, so let us guide you through this. So in 2026 guys, it works the following way. Navigate to Twitch, for example through the web version, log into your account and click into your profile icon top right and select channel. And here on your channel you will see that customize channel button to the right. So as you can see, I created this channel for the sake of this tutorial and it is pretty empty. So if you click into it, you will be redirected to your creator dashboard. And from here guys, you may go through these profile settings, for example, and you may also go through these tabs at the top and select or upload profile picture, a background color, a color theme, a profile banner, a video player banner at the bottom, and also go through these settings here, featured content, for example, and go through your streamer shelf, or head back to the About You section, change your username, your display name, your bio, add social links, for example, to your other social media accounts, and so on and so forth, guys. Don't forget to save your changes. And that's how you customize your channel on Twitch in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.